come up with yet another travel vlog, but this time of a Shakti Pit located near Sharatpalli, Boral Main Road, Goria, Kolkata. The name of this place is Tripura Sundari Temple. I have been planning for the past few days to visit this historical temple, or rather Shakti Pit, but every time my plan failed. This time I have been able to materialize my dream into reality, and I am moving towards the spiritual place related to Hindu god Kali and Lord Shiva, situated in the lap of nature. Before we lead towards this calm and peaceful place of God, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for further notifications.
This is the main entrance gate on the main road. It will take 10 minutes to walk from here to the temple gate.
I am entering from the back gate. This is a very quiet place. One can spend quite some time here without being disturbed. Good place for mental relaxation. This place is 10 meters from Goria Shitala Mandir auto stand. You have to take a right turn to reach this temple. It has a very old history. One can offer puja in the morning from 10:30 am to 12:30 pm and evening 5 pm to 8 pm.
The story of this place goes back to the 15th century when Adi Ganga used to flow through Boral. Eventually, Adi Ganga started to dry up and an idol of Lord Vishnu was found on its dried bed. After getting that ancient black stone idol, it is most likely the local zamindar established a beautiful temple here. But sadly, that old temple was ruined and a new temple was brought up on that place. Here you can find the Shiva temple within the main temple premises. If you can remember, I have talked about Lord Vishnu's idol, which was excavated from the banks of Adi Ganga. You can see that idol placed on the altar. Here you can see a couple of banyan and peepal trees intertwined. We are not sure about its age, but the locals believe that this is a holy place. People from various parts come and tie knots with a desire to get fulfilled. Once a wish is fulfilled, they return here to untie the knots. When I came last time, which was 3 years back, I saw many knots tied on the iron fence, but today I see only a few. So friends, it clearly depicts the divinity of this temple.
This is the main gate of the temple.
As I said earlier, this is the only shop inside the temple ground where you can find all the necessary items for puja. You can also keep your shoes beside the shop for free. A bonus, if you can manage to talk with the shop owner, you can hear a wonderful story about him which reflects the power of goddess Tripura Sundari. courtyard of the main temple, you can find the office room, the restroom for the priest, the kitchen room, and the entrance to the building for various rituals, and the dining hall. Anybody can buy coupons from the office room, rupees 145 per meal approx for afternoon prasad. Here they have arrangements to sit and enjoy the delicious and divine prasad. You can also take it away, but you need to bring your containers. What a wonderfully serene place to spend a few hours with family and friends, and also for those who want to be in a solitude for spiritual practice.
This area was under the reputed Maharaja Pratapditya of Jessore. There are a number of villages close by. A large number of very old bricks and pieces of pottery, rectangular copper coins, early artifacts have been found here. There is a very large tank covering about 42 bighas of land known as Sandigi, which suggests the glorious part of the village. After sinking in the calmness and serenity of this quiet place, my heart is filled with tranquility and peace. I am going home with a quiet and composed mind. I would rather recommend you all to visit this place at least once. I will provide the necessary details in the description box. Heading back home. Bye for now.